on guys, let's look at this problem right here. Here's the question is asking, to calculate the effect of ripple at the output of the circuit, we can assume VCC is a small signal input and determine the small signal gain from VCC to Vout, compute the gain assuming VA is less than infinity. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. Here it's VDD because this is a MOSFET. If it's a BJT, we use VCC. We do this same question for MOSFET and BJT, that's why we have VCC right here, but for this one it's VDD. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue. Here I'm going to draw the equivalent model circuit of this one. The equivalent model will look like this. V in VGS Okay, now if you write the equation for Vout, Vout is ID times RS. ID is Vout divided by RS, that's equation number 1, and therefore Vout is going to be VDD minus ID times RO. Vout is equal to VDD minus ID times RO, and here ID we have an equation derived, so we can use that one right here. This is going to be VDD minus, instead of ID I plug this one, so this is going to be just Vout over RS times RO. Now the next thing is we are going to bring all the Vout terms to one side, so this is going to be Vout plus Vout over RS times RO is equal to VDD, and if you take Vout common, this is going to be 1 plus 1 over 1 plus RO over RS, that is equivalent to VDD. Therefore this, if you rearrange this one like Vout over VDD is equal to 1 over 1 plus RO over RS. And that's our gain. This is our gain. That's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.